Hey guys, how's it going? So I got my 99 GMC Sierra behind me. Today we need to pull off the belt, and I just want to turn the crank, make sure it doesn't feel too stiff. I think one of my pulleys is starting to seize up a little bit. So this is a great job for Olsa's 90-tooth flex head ratchet. So here we go. Like I said, here's Olsa's half-inch, 90-tooth, half-inch flex head ratchet. This is perfect for getting those nice tight spaces, right? A solid ratchet just doesn't give you as much maneuverability. So we're going to show you here on my truck, seeing as you look down right here. That's my tensioner, right? So show you how nice the flex head ratchet is to get in those kind of spaces. All right, here we go. So here you can really hear those 90 teeth in action. Nice, easy switch to get to, right? Moves nice and easily. All right, let's get in there. So you can see I'll be able to sneak right around my intake right here, so I can reach that without having to pull that intake right off. There we go. So as you can see, that flex head gives me the options here to get right around that intake. So now I can remove that belt tension without having to pull extra stuff off. So there you go, boom, now that belt's off. All right, now let's get down to the crank and we're gonna try to rotate that crank. All right, so now we're underneath the vehicle. There we go. Now I'm on the crank, and as you can see, again, the straight ratchet would just never get onto there. And the handle's long enough that I can be in an area, get some good leverage. There we go. That feels pretty good. I don't feel any binding or anything like that from the crank bearings, so that pulley's good. So we're gonna check the rest of the pulleys. So not only is this ratchet good for these kind of jobs, it's also a pretty beefy ratchet. So much so that it also handles the tough jobs of really stubborn wheel nuts. Like on this Hyundai I had the other day. Here, I'll show you guys right here. So as you guys can see, you know, this is great for getting in tight engine spaces, but it also has a lot of beef to it and can take almost anything you're gonna throw at it. So another win for Olsa Tools. I'm really happy I traded in my Mac Tools ratchet for this thing, because that Mac Tools ratchet did not live up to the hype. This thing has just been awesome. So another fantastically awesome tool from Olsa Tools. Have a great day, guys.